The seventh plant you'll want in your medicinal garden is lavender. Besides lowering anxiety, a lavender tincture can help you manage mild to moderate depression and lowers the chance of relapse. A double-blind, placebo-controlled trial recently conducted in Germany showed that a certain type of lavender oil had similar effects to two of the most popular antidepressants on the market, without the risk of addiction. So anytime you're feeling stressed out at work or home, just add a few drops of lavender oil to your tea and wait for the calming effect to take over. A quick backyard remedy I like to make with lavender is this. I gather some fresh lavender from my garden and put it in a small herb pouch. Then I place the pouch inside my sleeping pillow or under my mattress. It wards off mosquitoes and other insects, but mostly it helps me fall asleep faster. Other recipes I'm going to share with you are the lavender sleep tincture, lavender tea for anxiety, lavender oil for fungal infections, acne, and dry and blotchy skin, the lavender hair mask, and lavender salve for chapped